Do I have to file complaint on SCORS portal, scores.sebi.gov.in, before I file it dispute on Smart ODR portal? If the investor has a grievance, investor can take up the complaint directly with the concerned market participant or through SCORS. If the resolution is not adequate or satisfactory, investor can further escalate the dispute to Smart ODR portal, www.smartodr.in. Alternatively, after taking up the complaint or grievance with the market participant, if the resolution is not adequate or satisfactory, investor can also directly file the dispute on Smart ODR portal without filing complaint on SCORS. It may be noted that in case the case is already in the legal forum such as consumer court or any other court or legal forum, then the facility of Smart ODR cannot be availed by such an investor. What are ODR institutions? ODR institutions are organizations that use technology to resolve disputes by utilizing processes such as conciliation and arbitration. MIIs, that is market infrastructure institution like depositories, exchanges etc., are required to impanel one or more ODR institutions for providing resolution of disputes through ODR mechanism on Smart ODR portal. What are the stages of resolution on dispute filed on Smart ODR portal? A dispute for resolution filed on Smart ODR portal goes through 3 stages. Namely, pre-conciliation or mediation by MIIs, followed by conciliation and arbitration. In pre-conciliation, concerned MIIs attempts to resolve the dispute between investor and market participant amicably. When do MIIs refer the disputes to ODR institutions? In case the matter is not resolved in pre-conciliation or mediation, the disputes shall be referred to ODR institution for conducting conciliation proceedings within 21 calendar days. Within how much time the investor should file the dispute on Smart ODR portal? The investor can file the dispute on Smart ODR portal within the applicable law of limitation reckoned from the date when the issue arose or occurred that has resulted in the complaint or date of the last transaction or the date of disputed transaction, whichever is later.
To be continued in video 3 of the series. Like and subscribe to the Nesdal channel to view more videos. क्योंकि जानकार ही असरदार.